motto here. Cheers. How to prepare a lamb chop. Gotta have a little knife. And after you wash it, you slowly take away the soft tissue cartilage. In my world, we call it myofascia. This is real. You have any manual therapy skills? Look at this coming out. You can't even see this. You have to slowly peel it away. Otherwise, your marinade will go straight on this cartilage and it won't get on the meat. And the taste will be lost. There we go. Gently peel it away. Apparently, lamb chops are seasonal in Florida. What was it, honey? Summertime only?
I think it's during Easter, spring.
What's the best lamb chop to get? We love Costco lamb chops, so we're taking full advantage of the seasonality of lamb chops. We love Costco, and my wife does a lot of research and tries to find us the best value. It's all about value. And look at that fine cartilage. Instructions for my children in the years to come. Enjoy using your hands to make things and spend time cooking. Look at how much of this is going to be chewy, but it'll take away the taste of the marinade. We're going to be using cooking channel marinade. Rosemary, correct, honey? Rosemary and grilled lamb chops. Although we like to bake ours. All right, here we go. So now look at this. Just peel away anything else you might think really would be hard to chew. All of that is just fat. Eating healthy means trying to eat healthy and prepare most of the food yourself if you can. There's more layers coming out. Look at that. More layers coming out of the lamb chop. JoJo's got a great marinade with salmon and lamb chops. All of this is invisible. Look at that, clear cartilage. You can call it cartilage, you can call it soft tissue. You can call it myofascia, whatever you do. You can't eat it. All right, that looks clear. Delicious. Take away as much of the fat that you can without touching the meat. And a lot of our friends love making lamb chops, and we've enjoyed work. I don't like the gamey taste of lamb. But when you prepare it right, it doesn't taste gamey. It doesn't take long to cook. Preparation is important. And the other side is all fatty as well. I'll try to piece out some of that fat. You don't need surgical steel, but it should be somewhat sharp. Look at that stuff just coming off. Things will take you forever to chew on. You'd rather enjoy the meat, the flavor of your food. Not sure if you hear that. It is noon in Florida on a Sunday. Gotta make time to prepare your food for a healthy lifestyle. You don't see this in the food channel. You only have 30 minutes. So a lot of this is assumed. I'm showing it for my children's benefit. And hopefully we can do a good job taking care of your own lamb chops. Look at all this stuff. Be careful not to go to the meat section. Oh, fat. So we normally prepare the oven for 350 degrees for baking. Or we can grill it. It only takes about 10 minutes. Better grilled. A lot of that's coming off. Nice. The restaurant's having a tough time getting lamb as well. I guess people are starting to eat inside. Or finally coming out of the house and eating outside. It's 2022. And the restaurants are thriving, except they can't find any helpers. Yeah. Just be careful not to cut yourself. It's part of the skill. I normally try to cut away, but and look, I'm going to tease out some of that thick stuff. You really don't want to spend time chewing. So if we go to a restaurant and chewing a lot of stuff, they didn't prepare the lamb too well. The marinade is coming. It's called rosemary. What else is it? Bye.